Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konasenkov tanggal 16 Juli merilis angkatan bersenjata Rusia menghancurkan sebuah pabrik di kota Dnipro, Ukraina. Pabrik memproduksi suku cadang rudal balistik Tocka-U, menurut Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia. Pasukan Rusia juga menembak jatuh 3 pesawat Ukraina dan 2 helikopter dalam 24 jam terakhir, kata juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur hari ini. Terpisah dari Kyiv, Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky memperingatkan warganya agar patuh dan memperhatikan sirene serangan udara di wilayah Kyiv. Kemenangan akan datang cepat atau lambat. Yang diperlukan sekarang semuanya memperhatikan peringatan dini serangan udara penjajah, kata Zelensky. Kemenhan Ukraina merilis jumlah kerugian Rusia sejak awal invasi. Rusia kehilangan 140 prajurit dalam sehari. Total 38.140 prajurit Kremlin meninggal.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision attacks launched by the Russian armed forces resulted in the elimination of the 115th Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine that had operated towards Seversk. Over the past 48 hours, this brigade has lost over 600 servicemen. Residents of Seversk, Nikolaevka and other nearby Ukraine-controlled settlements are being urgently mobilized for manning the brigade. High-precision attack launched by Russian aerospace forces at a provisional base of the 123rd Territorial Defense Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces deployed in Nikolaev has resulted in the elimination of up to 200 nationalists and foreign mercenaries, as well as 13 armored and motor vehicles. In terms of successful action of Russian armed forces and considerable losses of the Ukrainian armed forces, Ukrainian nationalists refused to be involved in operations in Donbass. Particularly, 45 nationalists of the 204th Battalion from the 241st Territorial Defense Brigade abandoned their positions near Artyomovsk and demanded to redeploy them to the western part of Ukraine. Russian Federation armed forces continue launching attacks at military facilities located in Ukraine. Attacks launched by high-precision, long-range air-based armament have resulted in the elimination of workshops for producing components and repairing Tocka-U ballistic missiles, as well as MRLS projectiles in Yuzhny machinery plant located in Dnipropetrovsk. In addition, high-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the elimination of 4 command posts, including those of the 80th Air Assault Brigade near Serebryanka, Donetsk People's Republic, and the 3rd Tank Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Novopokrovka, Kharkov region, as well as 1 munitions depot near Konstantinovka, Donetsk People's Republic, and 25 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment. Within counter-battery warfare, 2 MRLS platoons, 15 Gatsin-B howitzers, and D-30 artillery gun units deployed near Verkhnykamensk, Serebryanka, Seversk, Artyomovsk, Avdiivka, and Georgievka, Donetsk People's Republic, as well as artillery units at their firing positions in 73 areas have been neutralized. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 21 command posts, 5 munitions depots, as well as 189 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration areas. Fighter aircraft of the Russian aerospace forces have destroyed 3 airplanes of Ukrainian Air Force during an air combat, namely 2 MiG-29 near Novopavlovka, Nikolaev region, Vladimirovka, Dnipropetrovsk region, and 1 Su-25 near Seversk. In addition, 2 Ukrainian helicopters, Mi-8 near Velika Novoselka and Mi-24 near Seversk, Donetsk People's Republic, have been shot down in the air. Russian air defense means have eliminated 14 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Dolginkaya, Izum, Malaya Kamyshevacha, Kharkov region, Kamyshany, Kherson region, Rozhotilevskaya, Zaporozhye region, Alchevsk, Lugansk People's Republic, Serebryanka, Grigorovka, Spartak, Krasny Oktyabr, and Krynichnaya, Donetsk People's Republic. 1 Tocka-U ballistic missile has been intercepted near Novozvanovka, Donetsk People's Republic. 2 Uragan MRLS projectiles near Izum, Kharkov region. In total, 256 airplanes and 139 helicopters, 1,557 unmanned aerial vehicles, 355 air defense missile systems, 4,073 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 746 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,149 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 4,253 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.